IntelliScientist. Welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. In this video, we are going to perform the pH test to compare the strength of various acids and bases. From the Intelli Smart Box, take out the Acids and Bases Activity Kit. From your Acids and Bases kit, take out the pH strips, detergent, baking soda and vinegar. Be ready with 5 empty bowls. 1 teaspoon each of tomato and lemon juice. A bowl of water, powdered soap and spoons from your home. Take 1 teaspoon each of powdered soap, water, vinegar, baking soda and detergent in separate bowls. 1 teaspoon of powdered soap. Remember to use a separate spoon for every substance to avoid mixing. Water, vinegar, baking soda, detergent powder. Now add 1 teaspoon of water to the bowls containing powdered soap, baking soda and detergent. Mix it well to make a uniform solution. Now add 1 teaspoon of water to the baking soda. Repeat this step for the bowl containing detergent powder. Mix it well. All our samples are now ready. Let's start the testing. Now, dip 1 pH paper in the bowl containing lemon juice. Let's match it with the color on the pH scale. It's around 2. So the pH of lemon juice is around 2. Repeat the same for the remaining bowls. Let's match the color of the pH scale. Tomato juice. It's around 4. Baking soda solution. It's around 9. Water. Water is exactly at 7. Vinegar. Vinegar is at around 2. Detergent solution. The pH is around 12. Soap solution. The pH is in between 11 to 12. The change in color of the pH strip helps us to compare the strength of acids and bases. When the pH of any substance is less than 7, the substance is acidic. When the pH of any substance is greater than 7, the substance is basic. When the pH of any substance is exactly 7, the substance is neutral. As we move towards 0 on the pH scale, the acidic strength of the substance increases. And as we move towards 14, the basic strength of the substance increases. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.